is Air New Zealand, yeah.
It's the 13, dude.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Lord of the Rings much. The 13 from Battle of the Five Armies. Whoa! Yeah. Cam, get a million pictures of that for Wesley.
Oh, look at the reverses out. You see them?
Yeah, oh, nice. Yeah, you two, we're big fans of The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings here, so to see this Air New Zealand land here is pretty awesome. Yeah. And what were the odds of that, you two?
I was hoping to see that.
Cars, guys, on it. How many of you guys are a fan of the 2006 movie Cars? I know I am. Eat it in, as Mater says in the famous line from Cars. There goes YouTube.
Yeah.
How's it going, YouTube? Me and Extreme Padre fan are here in LA today. Here goes the plane. Here goes. Looks like Delta taking off. Any more planes coming, YouTube? There's American Old Scheme taking off, YouTube. Too crazy, but take American anytime. There goes that of LAX. On the other side of the airport, YouTube, here comes a Korean Air A380 coming in. Korean Air, that's landing on the other side, Extreme Padre fan? Okay. It's bound to move over there if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Oh yeah, that's Korean Air. Plainly obvious. Is landing safely, YouTube. All right, YouTube, as this Corsair airplane's taking off, looks like we have a China cargo taking off right here. Yep, China cargo. How did it turn out, Kim? Air China, there it goes, YouTube. All right, YouTube, over the building here, looks like oh, it's a United, never mind. It's like a pretty good sized United plane, though. I know. Yeah, YouTube, as that United comes in, here's the Corsair that just landed. Looks like it's just getting into the terminal safely. And there it is. All right, YouTube, another Delta taking off. And there goes YouTube. All right, YouTube, another plane landing on the other side of LAX. Can't tell at this angle because we're too far. Oh, nice. And there it is, landing safely in LAX, YouTube. All right, YouTube, a small American plane taking off. Way up high there. There it goes, YouTube. Another American taking off, YouTube. There goes YouTube. Woo! All right, YouTube, here comes another plane landing into LAX.
346. That's good. He's right there. He's touching the ground. Have you got the 332 yet?
Yeah. Yeah, I only got one shot at it.
I got one landing, one takeoff. They do have one that's in special livery, but I don't know if it comes to it.
I haven't seen that.
No, it may not be configured. You know?
Oh, it is Siberia. Oh, nice.
346 Levi?
Yeah.
Iberia. Oh, there's no S on it. Very nice plane. I know. And there's that landing, YouTube. All right, YouTube, is that Lufthansa taxis down that way? Comes to Ava Cargo, you said?
Yes. Oh, son.
Wow, nice. Great Ava Cargo, YouTube. There it goes. Another airline that just landed, YouTube.
Aeroflot.
Oh,
There's Alright, Lufthansa's turning.
Okay.
Okay, quiet on set.
Just wonder what this airline is. What's that plane over there? What's that airline right there?
Aeroflot.
Aerofly. Okay, there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here comes this Lufthansa taking off. Get ready for some good pictures here. YouTube, there goes out of LAX. Even though it's parking YouTube, here comes an Air Tahiti coming by us. Oh, that looks nice. Yikes. And there's the Air Tahiti YouTube. Not sure what that scheme is, but there it goes. Everybody YouTube, there it goes. Another American taking off YouTube. There goes out of LAX. Oh, Hawaiian plane just landed.
This side or that?
Just like him. Right here in front of the, right here. That's it. I like the tail on the Hawaiian of a hula girl there.
Like that. Always.
I know.
I follow yes.
And there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, off in the distance, here comes another plane coming into LAX. There's an engine on the tail of this plane.
Oh, I think I know.
MD-10, I think.
Okay, technically you're right by calling it that, but the FAA doesn't recognize it as that.
Yeah.
They call it a DC-10 still.
DC-10. Why did I call it that?
Okay.
I'm going to show you something when he taxis up here. I'm going to show you something.
Oh, it's a FedEx cargo that's just landing. Nice. Not now, Kim.
10 or?
Hey, there's an engine on the tail of it, so I guess
It's either a DC-10 or an MD-11. It's
one of the two, yeah. FedEx cargo right there. Oh no, it's turning away. It's not gonna come down here.
Damn. Glad you got it.
Yeah, and there's that DC-10, YouTube.
Please come down this way.
Come down here, you DC-10. Here comes another one coming into LAX, YouTube. Yeah, Cam, good news. I think it's gonna come down all the way here.
I'm going to shoot the crud out of it.
Well, get ready now, Cam. Get ready.
Crud out of it if it does.
Yep, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice DC-10 right there.
Keep on coming down. Come on.
I think it's turning right now. Son of a bitch, it's turning.
I couldn't do it.
Want me to try him? And there it is. Okay, and there it is. All right, YouTube, another plane landing into LAX.
You're a freaking Dreamliner already.
This one might be one, but I'm not sure.
They don't have Wi-Fi restriction.
Yep, this is an American.
But we got little parts.
This might be a Dreamliner Extreme Pottery fan, I'm not sure.
We got a couple big ass couple I don't even know.
Looks like one to me, Cam.
Yeah. Put the hot water in there.
There it is landing safely. He's good. All right, YouTube, a very rare 727 landing into LAX.
Oh, yes.
Before 7 years ago, I used to see the outland all the time.
How are these rare Extreme Pottery fan?
There's not many left. There are not many left.
Really?
I'm actually honored to see them. They better come down here with me.
Hopefully it will.
I wonder if it's Voodoo 1.
Let's see. Look at the nose on that baby. Wow.
That's Voodoo 1.
Holy crap. Is that Voodoo 1 Extreme Pottery fan?
Yep.
Wow. What are the odds of this baby landing into LAX?
That thing is rare.
Well, YouTube, here's Voodoo 1, a 727. Very rare plane these days. And there it is. All right, YouTube, here's one of the... China Airlines taking off. Woo! Great plane, YouTube. There goes out of LAX. All right, YouTube, an Allegiant plane taking off. All right, YouTube, here comes another plane landing into LAX. What is this plane, Calvin? A filming it regardless. That's a scheme I've never seen before. Oh, it looks like it's turning in right there. What? It's what? Aero Union? Anyway, YouTube, there it is landing. Are YouTube another plane taking off? Sky team. Great Sky team plane, YouTube, there it goes. Alright, YouTube, here's the Corsair about to take off from LAX. Here it goes, it's leaving now. Good job, Calvin. Kind of moving with the tripod. Corsair YouTube, there goes out. Alright, YouTube, here comes Air Tahiti taking off. Again, here comes Air Tahiti. Yep, left it off right now. Very nice. Woo! Air Tahiti YouTube, there goes out of YouTube, another DC-10, or DC-10 just happened to land.
Oh, MD-11.
MD-11, excuse me. And... nope, he's turning right now. There he is. Alright, YouTube, the Norwegian plane here happened to just come taxiing into LAX. And there it is, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, looks like this A380 is about to take off. This A380 is about to take off. Here it goes.
Aw, here it goes.
I'm good. Sorry, YouTube, my camera works beyond crap.
Yeah, to the remote stands. And there's triple panel right here.
Yep, here it goes.
Send it.
It's coming.
Airport. Rotate. There.
No, not yet.
There it goes, taking off. Perfect timing. Woo! YouTube, I love A380. It's probably my favorite Airbus plane. Great plane, there it goes out of LAX. There's another plane, Ethion, or whatever the heck it is. And there it goes. Alright, YouTube, me and Extreme Padre fan are huge Disney fans. Here's an Alaska Disney theme with Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald, Goofy, and Mickey on the tail. Woo! Yeah. Makes me want to go to Disneyland again. And there it is, YouTube. Another plane taxiing towards the international terminals, YouTube. Here's another Corsair plane. Yeah, a lot of great planes, YouTube. There it is. All right, YouTube, way off in the distance. Here comes another plane coming into LAX. I don't mean to be here. Yep, looks like another DC-10 landing. Knowing our luck, Cam will probably stop too short though.
River 2 to the south.
Nice. Air Lingus confirmed this side.
Yes, good. Is this on approach? Is this it on approach, guys, or no?
Oh, we check it's in Norwalk.
Okay.
So heading Downey. Too bad they didn't go back to the main terminal. They moved to 2. They should be here at the main terminal. Well, good update, my flight.
Was this another FedEx DC-10?
Or an 11?
And the 11.
Wait, does it have winglets?
MD-11's coming.
Yes, it has winglets.
11, yeah.
DC-10 doesn't have winglets.
Well, DC-10 could either be a DC-10 or an MD-10 depending on the cockpit.
Yeah.
Right?
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
I would still remember the base model.
There it is.
MD-11.
And GE, looks like a GE.
Oh, sweet. It's going to come far enough.
Boss.
Broken down bus ball.
Nope, and there it is landing, YouTube. All right, YouTube, now off in the distance, here comes another plane. What is this plane, Calvin?
Air Lingus.
Huh?
Air Lingus. It's Scottish
Sometimes you do the same thing, right?
airline. Delta ball.
The bird.
Air Lingus, so Scottish.
Yeah. I don't know what the heck that Delta is.
Get everything that you can, Kim. Very interesting plane. It's coming.
Yeah. At least I know I won't get skunked by everyone. I'm getting skunked.
Don't remind me, Kim.
Oh my god. Was this their like inaugural or is this their inaugural flight? Oh nice!
Got it all on film here, Kim.
Welcome to sunny SoCal. Dude, that's a nice paint scheme.
I like it. I like it. That's a nice paint scheme right there.
Not seen one turn.
We could have been in the bird.
And there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, a quick video. Here's the Corsair taking off here. Woo! Great plane there goes out of LA. All right, YouTube, another plane just landed. An Aero Mexico at one happened to be nice. That's a nice scheme on that baby.
650, 604, or 630.
Hey Calvin.
Well, I need a toilet.
I heard that Cargo Lux is coming today.
And
Yeah.
there it is, YouTube.
First customer service, like
All right, YouTube, another plane taking off. Just another United.
not just another, it's a 777, dude.
That's actually one of the better United planes I've seen all day. For United YouTube, there goes out of LAX. Another American taking off YouTube. And there goes out of here, YouTube.
Nobody's gotten that livery yet.
All right, YouTube, here comes the Southwest Florida 1 livery. If I'm right, Calvin?
Yeah, you got
Okay.
it. Well, there go the fire trucks in there.
Ambulance, yeah.
surprised you're not shooting those, Cal. Huh? Not anymore, huh? That side of the Imperial Freeway is like a cluster now.
Landing safely.
Wait, what? This side or? That's rare, dude, right? Oh, okay. That's still. Oh, what's that?
Oh man, I'm tired. As the lane comes in here, YouTube.
Hopefully Florida 1 will taxi this way. Jeez,
Got it on film easily.
Silverliner, that, the Disney one, holy crap, dude.
Getting a lot of liveries.
And a Star Line stand, holy crap.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of liveries today. YouTube all the way till it gets out of the view of this building right here.
Liveries love LAX and they hate San Diego. Huh?
And there it is, YouTube. All right, YouTube, another American taking off. Wow, look at that sucker. Great American YouTube, there goes out of LA. All right, YouTube, on the north side of the airport, there's an MD-11 coming in.
Oh, it's gonna come when it,
Yeah.
Yeah, yay. Yay. Finally. Finally, FedEx. There it is. What's your favorite airline to watch? Or is it just pretty much like any day? Yeah, American. For me, it's like I like doing like anything except for if it's the hot dog.
And there comes that FedEx into LAX, YouTube. Woo! All right, YouTube, here comes the Delta A330, I think.
Yes, you got it.
Okay. Coming into LAX.
Oh look, it's Alaska Airlines. Oh, right. Shot. What's your whole thought on that? It's interesting, right? Huh? Eva.
Oh, YouTube is that. That's coming in. Here's Ava Air taking off. Woohoo! As that takes off, YouTube, back to the A330 that's landing. Sorry if I don't seem as crazy and talkative today, YouTube. I'm so tired.
Wait, did I didn't get condensation on this, but yeah.
It's a nice one. Those A330s are nice planes.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
And there it is, YouTube. The FedEx that landed on the other side, YouTube. Here it is, heading towards the loading docks. Man, these MD-11s are nice planes. Yeah. There's sexy on YouTube. All right, YouTube, an MD-11 that happens to be taken off. Here goes out of LAX. Thanks, I wouldn't have noticed.
Yeah, exactly. Huh?
And there it goes. It's taking off now, guys.
Whoa, chartreuse fire truck, okay.
Here it comes, taking off now, guys.
Oh, it's rotated early, that's dirty.
those engines. Great MD-11 YouTube, there goes that of LAX. All right, YouTube, this is going to be our final plane here at LAX Day. What, for half a day of plane spotting, what a fun day. Here's an Iberia. What's the plane, Calvin? A346? Taking off. Woo! There it is.
Dude, he's slow.
There he goes. He's taking off now. YouTube, with that plane disappearing into the sunset, I hope you enjoyed our footage from LAX. There it goes. Woo!